Think floor buffers and polishers need to have a power cord? Well, think again. Victor's range of cordless rotary machines feature a swap-out lithium-ion battery, offering long run times whilst making it easier and safer to clean floors without compromising performance. The Victor cordless rotary range features 3 machines. The Lynx cordless burnisher. Now this delivers high-speed polishing at 800 RPM, perfect for creating high shine on hard floors such as marble floors. The Contractor Cordless. Now this is available in high speed at 300 RPM for polishing or standard speed at 240 RPM for scrubbing tasks. It's ideal for those who clean or polish on a regular basis. And finally, the Multi-Speed Cordless. Now this features variable speed control from 180 to 400 RPM for the flexibility of switching between scrubbing and polishing. This is ideal for those who need to perform a range of scrubbing and polishing tasks on a range of floors. The Victor cordless floor buffer and polisher range are built to last in the UK and backed by a 3-year warranty, making these machines a reliable choice for efficient floor care. So if you want to learn more about the Victor cordless range or arrange a demo, please visit victorfloorcare.com.